Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Samsung Note 25G is probably one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, packing a powerful punch with its advanced features and sleek design, aiming to redefine productivity and mobile gaming for users who demand the absolute best in their pocket. This device isn't just a phone, it's a portable powerhouse designed to keep up with your most demanding tasks, from complex multitasking to immersive entertainment, all while offering a premium user experience that Samsung is known for. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Note 25G Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone. Experience the precision of a real pen with the S Pen in Samsung Notes. Effortlessly jot down ideas, sketch designs, and convert them into editable documents. Seamlessly sync your creations across all your Galaxy devices. Stay powered throughout your day with an intelligent battery that adapts to your usage. When you need a boost, super fast charging gets you back up and running in minutes. It learns your habits to optimize battery life. Get ready for the ultimate mobile gaming adventure. With a stunningly smooth screen, expansive display, and advanced processor, you'll enjoy lag-free gaming. Experience the power of Galaxy 5G for enhanced gameplay. Tackle any task with Samsung's fastest Note processor yet. Enjoy seamless multitasking, incredible gaming, and uninterrupted streaming. Capture, create, and share your moments without missing a beat. Bridge the gap between your phone and PC. Manage mobile apps directly on your computer screen for effortless multitasking. Share files easily between devices with a simple drag and drop. Unlock next-level performance with the power of 5G. Share more, play harder, and experience everything you love with incredible speed. Never miss a moment with this advanced connectivity. What we like. Experience unparalleled productivity with the integrated S Pen, perfect for jotting down notes or sketching ideas on the go. If you're a creative professional or a student who loves to take detailed notes, this device offers a seamless transition from paper to digital. Its intelligent battery adapts to your usage, ensuring you stay powered throughout your day. If you need a device that keeps up with your demanding schedule and creative workflow, this is the one for you. What people say. The screen is vibrant and the refresh rate is smooth. The camera takes excellent photos, especially in low light. Battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day with heavy use. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, Renewed Premium. Experience a Samsung certified pre-owned device, meticulously remanufactured by the same engineers who craft new Samsung devices. This device is unlocked and ready to work with any carrier on both GSM and CDMA networks. Enjoy the freedom to choose your provider. It comes with a brand new battery and a new charging cable, all presented in new Samsung packaging with a certified renewed seal. Rest assured, this phone has passed over 400 stringent tests for full functionality and has been inspected to be free of cosmetic flaws. Your purchase is protected with the same 1-year limited warranty that covers brand new Samsung devices. What we like. Get the premium experience of a top-tier device with the assurance of Samsung certification. This remanufactured model comes with a brand new battery and a full 1-year warranty, just like a new device. If you're looking for flagship performance and reliability without the brand new price tag, and value peace of mind with a solid warranty, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The screen is gorgeous, with vibrant colors and excellent brightness, making it a joy to use outdoors. The S Pen functionality is incredibly useful for note-taking and precise editing, adding a unique productivity layer. Camera performance is outstanding, capturing detailed and sharp photos even in challenging lighting conditions. Number 3. AIGOMARA Magnetic Case for Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Introducing the AIGOMARA Magnetic Case, specifically designed for your Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This case offers seamless compatibility with wireless charging, ensuring convenience without compromise. Please note, this case is exclusively designed for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, released in 2020. It ensures a perfect fit, so you can be confident it's the right choice for your device. Crafted from high-quality, anti-yellowing TPU, this case maintains its shape and slim profile. It provides robust protection without adding unnecessary bulk to your phone. Experience superior defense against everyday wear and tear. It's built to withstand scratches and impacts, offering durable protection for your device's longevity. Featuring a built-in magnet with strong absorption, this case works flawlessly with magnetic battery packs and wallets. Enjoy the ease of magnetic accessories. Raised edges safeguard your screen and camera from scratches, while precise cutouts and responsive buttons ensure easy access to all functions. It's designed for ultimate usability. What we like. Protect your valuable device with this slim yet robust TPU case. Its magnetic compatibility allows for easy attachment of accessories like battery packs and wallets, adding convenience to your daily use. If you prioritize both strong protection against drops and scratches, and the convenience of magnetic accessory integration, this case is a practical and stylish option. What people say. The screen is vibrant and the refresh rate is smooth. The camera takes amazing photos, especially in low light. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Note 25G, renewed. Experience a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display. Its vibrant colors and sharp details are perfect for all your entertainment and work needs. Capture incredible photos and videos with its versatile triple camera system. Get clear, precise shots in any light with advanced features like night mode and super steady video. Unleash your creativity with the signature S Pen. Enjoy precise note-taking, drawing, and even control your device with simple gestures using air actions. This device offers smooth multitasking and fast app performance. It's designed to enhance your productivity with features like Samsung DeX for a desktop-like experience. Stay powered up with its long-lasting battery and fast charging capabilities. Enjoy seamless streaming and gaming with ultra-fast 5G connectivity. It's built to withstand the elements with IP68 water and dust resistance. Immerse yourself in rich sound with stereo speakers tuned by AIGOMARA. What we like. Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with its brilliant Super AMOLED Plus display, perfect for media consumption and detailed work. Capture professional-grade photos with its versatile triple camera system, offering flexibility for any shot. If you're a content creator or a photography enthusiast who appreciates a top-notch display and advanced camera capabilities, this device will not disappoint. What people say. The screen is large and vibrant, perfect for multitasking and media consumption. The S Pen functionality is incredibly useful for note-taking and precise control. Camera quality is excellent, capturing detailed and sharp photos even in low light. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Note 25G, renewed. Experience stunning visuals on its expansive Super AMOLED Plus display. Enjoy vibrant colors and sharp details, perfect for all your entertainment needs. Capture breathtaking photos and videos with its versatile triple camera setup. Achieve professional-looking shots in any lighting condition with advanced features. Unleash your creativity and productivity with the signature S Pen. Take notes, sketch ideas, and control your device with intuitive gestures. Experience seamless multitasking and lightning-fast performance. This device handles demanding apps and workflows with ease, even supporting a desktop-like experience. Stay powered up with its long-lasting battery and enjoy rapid charging options. Plus, experience ultra-fast 5G speeds for uninterrupted connectivity. Designed to withstand the elements with water and dust resistance. Immerse yourself in rich sound with finely tuned stereo speakers. What we like. Experience seamless multitasking and a desktop-like workflow with its powerful processor and Samsung DeX support. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with its advanced camera system, and enjoy lightning-fast downloads and streaming with 5G. If you're a power user who demands peak performance for work and play, and wants the latest in connectivity, this device is built for you. What people say. The Samsung Note 25G has a great camera, especially in low light conditions. The display is vibrant and sharp, making it excellent for watching videos and playing games. Battery life is impressive, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.